few months ago, we launched something that we thought was going to change the game. We decided to combine the challenge, that's the fitness system that's helped tens of thousands of people to lose life-changing amounts of weight, with a food box. That's intermittent fasting and 2 clean meals a day. The logic is sound in that if you move more and eat less, you're going to get amazing results. Unfortunately, we forgot just one thing. It's hard enough to do on 3 meals a day. How is anyone going to do it on 2 meals a day?
It sounds really awful, but I find it quite easy.
I managed to find it easy. I'm not feeling hungry at all.
Do it with a food box or without?
With game changer. 5 kilos and 11 centimetres in 12 days.
5 kg.
5 kilo.
6 kilos.
7 kg.
4.5 kilos.
Challenge Plus.
Challenge Plus.
Challenge Plus.
Mind blowing.
A brand new way to lose weight. And best of all,
It's easy.